This video is an introduction to the Zebra industrial printer family. After completing this video, you will be able to identify the printers that make up the industrial printer family, know the most popular vertical markets and uses, and know who your key competitors are. You will be introduced to important printer concepts like direct thermal and thermal transfer technology. You will also be introduced to software like LinkOS, as well as supplies and services. Lastly, we will connect you with tools and assets that are designed to help you. So what exactly is an industrial printer? Our industrial printers offer unparalleled barcode, text, and graphics print quality on labels, invoices, and packing slips. Designed to function in a variety of industrial environments, some models of printers can perform 24/7 in mission-critical operations. State-of-the-art RFID encoding options are available on some models to further advance process efficiency and accuracy. Our industrial printers are feature-rich, high-volume printers that print a wide range of media. A question you might ask yourself is, what's the difference between a desktop printer and an industrial printer? That's a great question. The obvious answer is size. Industrial printers are larger and meant to be used in a manufacturing or warehouse-type environment when space is usually not an issue. It's not uncommon to see an industrial printer as part of a production line or on a warehouse shipping dock. Desktop printers have a much smaller form factor and are for places where space is tight, like on a desk or counter. Aside from size, use of the product is another thing to keep in mind. Industrial printers are meant to be used 24/7 in tough environments like manufacturing, and desktop printers are for mid-level or low-level use and intended for more of an office or retail environment where there's no exposure to moisture or dirt. Other differences are in the product specifications. Desktop printers usually have lower print resolution, such as 203 or 300 dpi. For printing things like receipts and tags. Industrial printers can have higher print resolution, such as 600 dpi, to accommodate for small precision-type labels, such as electronic component labeling. Duty cycle is another factor. Industrial printers usually run 24/7 and print out high volume of media, whereas the desktop printer does not. In the industrial printer portfolio, we start with our value class, which is the ZT200 series. The ZT200 is our 4-inch industrial printer designed for ease of use and economical performance. Moving up in the tiers to the mid-range, we have the ZT400, which is the market choice for demanding customers. The ZT400 is also a 4-inch printer, but has higher resolution capabilities than the ZT200, faster print speeds, and more connectivity options. In our premium class, replacing our legacy XI series is the ZT600 series and the ZT510. Our premium class offers unparalleled industrial power and performance for even the harshest industrial environments. The ZT600 comes with the power of the LinkOS operating system for greater operational visibility and future-proofing to meet customers' changing needs. Until you become familiar with the printers themselves, here's an easy way to identify which printers fall into which class. A model starting with ZT signifies our industrial printer line, and as you move up in the product tier, the model numbers increase. Our main competitor in the industrial printer space is Honeywell. Intermec and Datamax are both part of Honeywell and have been losing share primarily to our second-tier competitors, Saito and Toshiba. Other regional competitors include TSC, Avery Dennison, and CAB. Let's take a look at some of the most common vertical markets and uses for the industrial printer line. Remember that industrial printers are a perfect choice for any customer who needs rugged, high-volume printing with excellent print quality. It's important to understand the difference between direct thermal and thermal transfer because it will help determine the correct printer and model for certain operations. In direct thermal, a heated printhead prints images directly onto a heat-sensitive media. There's no ink, ribbons, or toner involved. Because heat is what activates the image, direct thermal models are not good for use in areas with exposure to extreme heat, sunlight, or abrasion, as it may affect the printed media. Direct thermal is a more economical means of printing, but also produces output with a shorter lifespan. With thermal transfer, a heated printhead melts a ribbon onto the media. The image is then transferred to the media. Thermal transfer tends to produce longer image life, however, it's more complex and expensive than direct thermal. An easy way to remember the difference is that direct thermal prints directly on the media. Thermal transfer melts or transfers the image onto the media. Some of our industrial printers offer RFID capabilities. RFID printers have a tough job. UHF RFID was designed to read thousands of tags several meters away in a fraction of a second. But a printer encoder's goal is to write just one specific tag a few millimeters away in the vicinity of thousands of other tags for hundreds of different tag types. Optimized for high-volume operations, our RFID-enabled printers can print and encode a variety of UHF radio frequency identification smart labels for a multitude of applications. Several of our industrial printers are equipped with Link-OS. Link-OS is a one-of-a-kind enterprise printer operating system found in Zebra's latest line of printers. Featuring advanced connectivity capabilities, extensive device management, and advanced privacy controls, no other printers deliver this level of intelligence and innovation. Printers running Link-OS are supported by a suite of powerful applications, utilities, and developer tools, making it simple to create robust, adaptable, and intelligent print solutions. Supplies are an important part of the industrial printer offering. Zebra offers a wide variety of supplies that are designed specifically to get the most out of our industrial printers. We offer in-stock, ready-to-ship labels commonly referred to as zip ship, as well as custom labels. Supplies also include ribbons and RFID media. It's very important that customers use supplies that are appropriate for their printer. In addition to supplies, Zebra has services that complement the printer sale. Zebra has 3 specific services that can be positioned to customers when selling industrial printers: Install Config Assist, or ICA, Technical and Software Support, or TSS, and Zebra OneCare. ICA is great for small customers who do not have a dedicated staff to help bring new printers online, or for busy customers who want to get up and running as quickly as possible through successful rapid printer installation. TSS is long-term technical support for installed printers and allows access to the latest software releases. And finally, Zebra OneCare provides long-term technical support, access to the latest software releases, and repair services to maintain the productivity of their business-critical Zebra printers. As you are learning about the industrial printer line, one of the most helpful documents available on the source is the Zebra Printer Portfolio Guide. This document covers our entire printer portfolio, and it's highly recommended that you bookmark this document or download it for your files. It compares each of the models in each printer family and highlights differences in some of the most important features like print speed, resolution, connectivity, print width, and which models are Link-OS enabled. This was a basic introduction to the industrial printer family. You will learn much more about these printers in later modules. It's important that you continue to build on this learning by viewing additional resources online and honing your knowledge of the printer portfolio independently after completing the course. You are highly encouraged to visit the source and from the top menu navigate to the Products tab and select Printers. Then select Industrial Printers and familiarize yourself with some of the great assets and tools available there on the industrial printer family. You've successfully completed this module. To continue your learning, please return to the source.